4:39 PM and still Thursday. Katatapos lang namin sa San Miguel Arcangel Mission Church. Ang susunod naman is San Antonio de Padua. Tara, let's! Alright guys, back on US North 101. Kagagaling lang namin sa Mission Church San Miguel Arcangel. So ngayon naman pupunta kami sa ang susunod is San Antonio de Padua. So it's about 45 minutes or 45 miles. Alright, beautiful view. Mga bundok na walang puno. On my left side, ito mga grapes na naman.
Bali, for today, pang-anim na puto. Ang goal namin sana is 8. So, we'll see kung make it. But we'll try. Kasi yung next stop namin para sa hotel namin sleep for the night, doon pa sa Panguwal sana namin for today na doon kasi pinlan yung navigating this year. San Antonio de Padua, established July 14, 1771. Huh? Alrighty, saving a time and stretch. Saturday, April 6th. Mission days. Alright guys, ayan na po yung church. It's been 14 years since na napunta kami dito.
Your destination is on the left.
Oh, squirrel! Alright guys, time check is 5:21 PM. Again, it's still Thursday. Nandito na kami sa San Antonio de Padua Mission Church, yung old mission. So, kami na ulit. Alright guys, ito na yung like I said kanina, kahit paulit-ulit na lang, San Antonio de Padua, isa sa 21 Mission Church dito sa California. And today, pang-anim namin ito. Dalawa pa ito. So ayan guys, we're here. Okay, let's alright, let's go. Thank you. 342. Our good friend right here, it's more than 200 plus, more than 30 years. Yo, oh, I'm sorry. Okay, buti na lang weekends. Let's go. Alright guys, time check is 5:29 PM. Again, Thursday ulit. Katatapos lang namin dito sa San Antonio de Padua, but we have to go kasi close na sila. Ito yung
di ba tayo yung turo sa nakita natin sa Antonio de Padua para ma-picture.
Thank you.